Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Nissan Altima seats. First, you'll need to identify the specific issue, whether it's a tear, a loose cover, or a mechanical problem. Next, gather your tools, which might include screwdrivers, wrenches, and trim removal tools. Safety is key, so always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before beginning any electrical work or seat removal. This simple step prevents accidental shorts. For upholstery issues, small tears can often be mended with a fabric repair kit, providing a discreet fix. If your seat fabric is loose, you'll likely need hog rings and specialized pliers to resecure it to the seat frame, mimicking the factory attachment. For a more comfortable ride, consider replacing any flattened or damaged foam cushions. This can significantly improve the feel and support of your Altima's seat. If your seat feels wobbly, the first step is to check and tighten all bolts securing the seat frame to the vehicle floor. For power seats that are sticking, lubricating the tracks and moving mechanisms with a silicone-based spray can often restore smooth operation. Also, carefully inspect the seat tracks for any debris or bent components that might be hindering movement. Addressing these mechanical issues can greatly improve your driving experience. When dealing with power seats or integrated airbags, always check all electrical connections for proper seating and any signs of damage. After completing any repairs, double-check that all bolts, clips, and fasteners are securely in place to ensure safety and stability. Finally, remember to reconnect your car's battery. And hey, while you're upgrading your car, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.